Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rajkumari. Welcome to my first video of learning English for conversation. Halo adik-adik, selamat datang di video pertama pembelajaran bahasa Inggris untuk komunikasi dengan saya, Rajkumari. Thanks for signing up, adik-adik. I'm confident we are going to benefit significantly from this learning program. Terima kasih adik-adik sudah sign up. Saya yakin adik-adik akan memperoleh manfaat yang sangat signifikan dari program pembelajaran ini. Repeat after me adik-adik when I ask you to repeat. Ulangi adik-adik bila saya minta adik-adik untuk mengulang. Okay? Let's get started adik-adik and let's practice together. Ayo kita mulai sekarang dan marilah kita berlatih bersama-sama. Our first topic today is at home. At home. At home. At home in bahasa Indonesia means di rumah. Please repeat after me. Ulangi di belakang saya. At home. At home. At home. Di rumah. Next, we are going to learn the rooms at home. Berikutnya adik-adik, kita akan mempelajari nama-nama ruangan di rumah kita. Are you ready? Let's get started. Di ruang tamu. How do you say di ruang tamu in English? Bagaimana mengucapkan ruang tamu dalam bahasa Inggris? Please repeat after me. Ulangi di belakang saya. In the living room. In the living room. In the living room. Di ruang tamu. Next. Di ruang keluarga. Please repeat after me. In the family room. In the family room. In the family room. Di ruang keluarga. Next, we have di ruang makan. Please repeat after me. In the dining room. In the dining room. In the dining room. Di ruang makan. Next, we have di dapur. Please repeat after me. In the kitchen. In the kitchen. In the kitchen. Di dapur. Next is di ruang khusus tempat penyimpanan bahan makanan yang belum diolah. Biasanya kita sebut groceries, ya. Barang belanjaan dari supermarket yang belum diolah. Please repeat after me. In the pantry. In the pantry. In the pantry. Tempat penyimpanan bahan makanan yang belum diolah. Our next phrase is di kamar tidur. Please repeat after me. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. In the bedroom. Di kamar tidur. Next phrase is di kamar tidur utama. Please repeat after me. In the main bedroom. In the main bedroom. In the main bedroom. Di kamar tidur utama. Next phrase is di kamar tidur anak. Please repeat after me. In the children's bedroom. In the children's bedroom. In the children's bedroom. Di kamar tidur anak. Next is di kamar tidur tamu. Please repeat after me. In the guest room. In the guest room. In the guest room. Di kamar tidur tamu. Our next phrase is di kamar kosong atau kamar cadangan atau kamar yang digunakan bila perlu saja. Please repeat after me. In the spare room. In the spare room. In the spare room. Di kamar kosong atau kamar cadangan. Our next phrase is di kamar bayi. Please repeat after me. In the nursery. In the nursery. In the nursery. Di kamar bayi. Next phrase is di kamar mandi. Please repeat after me. In the bathroom. In the bathroom. In the bathroom. Di kamar mandi. Next is di kamar mandi atas. Please repeat after me. In the upstairs bathroom. In the upstairs bathroom. In the upstairs bathroom. Di kamar mandi atas. Next is di kamar mandi bawah. Please repeat after me. In the downstairs bathroom. In the downstairs bathroom. In the downstairs bathroom. Di kamar mandi bawah. Next is di perpustakaan. Please repeat after me. In the library. In the library. In the library. Di perpustakaan. Our next phrase is di ruang belajar. Please repeat after me. In the study. In the study. In the study. Di ruang belajar. Next is di ruang cuci baju. Please repeat after me. In the laundry room. In the laundry room. In the laundry room. Di ruang cuci baju. Our next phrase is di ruang penyimpanan, storage. Please repeat after me. In the storage room. In the storage room. In the storage room. Di ruang tempat penyimpanan. Next phrase is di ruang game. Please repeat after me. In the game room. In the game room. In the game room. Di ruang untuk bermain game. Next is di ruang bermain. Please repeat after me. In the playroom. In the playroom. In the playroom. Di ruang bermain. Our next phrase is di ruang olahraga. Please repeat after me. In the gym. In the gym. In the gym. Di ruang olahraga atau di ruang fitness di rumah. Sometimes we say in the home gym. In the home gym. In the home gym. In the home gym. Di ruang olahraga atau ruang fitness di rumah. Next is, berikutnya adalah di ruang bawah tanah. Please repeat after me. In the basement. In the basement. In the basement. Di ruang bawah tanah. Next phrase is, frasa berikutnya adalah di loteng. Please repeat after me. In the attic. In the attic. In the attic. Di loteng. Biasanya di ruangan seadanya di bawah atap rumah untuk menyimpan barang-barang tua atau kadangkala digunakan untuk kamar anak lelaki. Our next phrase is di atas atap. Please repeat after me. On the roof. On the roof. On the roof. Di atas atap. Why don't we use in here? Why don't we use in the roof here? Kenapa tidak memakai kata depan in untuk atap? Karena di atas atap, bukan di dalam atap. So we say on the roof. On the roof. On the roof. Di atas atap. Not in the roof. Our next phrase is di balkon. Please repeat after me. On the balcony. On the balcony. On the balcony. Di balkon. Our next phrase is di garasi. Please repeat after me. In the garage. In the garage. In the garage. Di garasi. Orang Amerika, the Americans mengatakan di garasi as in the garage. In the garage. In the garage. Our next phrase is di halaman. Please repeat after me. In the yard. In the yard. In the yard. Di halaman. Our next phrase is di halaman depan. Please repeat after me. In the front yard. In the front yard. In the front yard. Di halaman depan. Next phrase is di halaman belakang. Please repeat after me. In the backyard. In the backyard. In the backyard. Our next phrase is di kebun. Please repeat after me. In the garden. In the garden. In the garden. Di kebun. Please note, tolong dicatat adik-adik. There's a difference between a yard and a garden. Ada perbedaan antara a yard and a garden. A yard biasanya tidak ada kembangnya. But a garden has flowers growing in it. Tetapi garden mempunyai kembang yang ditanam. Our next phrase is di teras. Please repeat after me. On the terrace. On the terrace. On the terrace. Di teras. Look at the preposition. Lihat kata depannya adik-adik. Kita tidak menggunakan in the terrace. But we use, tetapi kita menggunakan on the terrace. On the terrace. On the terrace. Di teras. Next phrase is di ruang hiburan. Please repeat after me. In the entertainment room. In the entertainment room. In the entertainment room. Di ruang hiburan. Next phrase is di ruang karaoke. Please repeat after me. In the karaoke room. In the karaoke room. In the karaoke room. Di ruang karaoke. Next phrase is di lantai atas. Please repeat after me. Upstairs. 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 Di lantai atas. Next phrase is di bawah. Please repeat after me. Downstairs. 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 Di lantai bawah. Please note, upstairs and downstairs tidak memakai kata depan seperti in or on. Hanya upstairs. Tidak on the upstairs. Hanya downstairs. Tidak on the downstairs. Next phrase is di luar rumah. Please repeat after me. Outside the house. Outside the house. Outside the house. Di luar rumah. Our next phrase is di depan rumah. Please repeat after me. In front of the house. In front of the house. In front of the house. Di depan rumah. Our next phrase is di belakang rumah. Please repeat after me. At the back of the house. At the back of the house. At the back of the house. Or behind the house. Behind the house. Behind the house. Di belakang rumah. Dearest adik-adik, you did great. Good job. Stop the video and try again one more time. Hentikan video dan cobalah sekali lagi. I promise it will get easier each time you practice. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. So adik-adik, if your target is fluency, bila target Anda adalah fluency, yaitu kelancaran, try again one more time. And one more time, and one more time. Cobalah sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered this topic. Dan jangan lanjut ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now adik-adik. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you loads.